Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Resolve for color grading with LUTs, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Resolve for color grading with LUTs, start by opening DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the software is open, create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the media page to import your footage. Click on the Import Media button located in the upper left corner. Select the video clips you want to work with and click Open. After your clips are loaded, switch to the Cut page or the Edit page. Locate your footage in the timeline and select the clip you wish to grade. Now, move to the Color page by clicking on the Color tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Color workspace, look for the LUTs panel on the left. If the LUTs panel isn't visible, go to the top right corner and click on LUTs to reveal it. Expand the LUTs section to view the available LUT packs. You can add custom LUTs to Resolve by right-clicking in the LUTs area and selecting Open LUT folder. This opens the folder where you can copy your LUT files. Once your LUTs are in the folder, return to DaVinci Resolve and right-click again in the LUTs panel. Select Refresh to load your newly added LUTs. To apply a LUT, select the clip you want to grade in the timeline. Next, click on the desired LUT from the LUTs panel. You will see the effect applied to your clip in real time. Adjust the intensity of the LUT by using the key output slider found in the color wheels area. Make further color adjustments as needed using the color grading tools available. Repeat the process for any additional clips in your timeline as desired. Once you are satisfied with your grading, finalize your project by navigating to the Deliver page. Select your desired export settings and render your video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.